consciousness broken down into different kind of types, segments, or is it just one big thing?
I prefer that kind of divide and conquer approach, actually, because if you treat it as one big scary mystery in need of one massive eureka solution, it can be very resistant. It can be resistant even in the sense of what would a satisfying answer look like? What would we be content with in terms of an explanation? And in many other areas of science, this kind of divide and conquer approach has paid dividends. There's a good parallel, I think, with the history of life.
It's reductionism at that level.
Yeah.
Let me add something here. In early days of physics and all the branches of physics, philosophers played very important roles to help shape questions and help the direction of things. But that was evidence that the field was still in its infancy when you had philosophers sort of running amok among you. And it looks like you have philosophers at every turn when you're trying to arrive at some conclusions here. And at what point will you be evidence-based and no longer will the philosopher in the armchair be useful to you because all of your answers are coming from the lab and not from their brains?
I think philosophers are in it for the long game with consciousness.